I'll be fairly quick today because I know that we want to get to the program. So my name is Alison Symington, and I'm the Vice President of Outreach at OGI, or the Ontario Genomics Institute. On behalf of OGI, LSO, and Mars, I'd like to welcome you today to TBI's breakfast and the Ontario launch of National Biotech Week. In fact, this is the 10th year of Genome Canada and the Genome Centres, and across Canada, as the time zones go, each of the Genome Centres will actually be rolling out National Biotech Week across the country. So it's a great partnership, especially in the 10th anniversary. Ontario is a thriving centre of biotechnology, and as you all know, 10 years ago, after the first human genome was sequenced, the knowledge, resources and discoveries made to date in this province puts us in a pivotal position as we look ahead to the next decade. In fact, there was a great symposium yesterday I was honoured to be at, and many of the top people in innovation from North America were there, and they were talking about how pivotal Ontario is and the kind of position we have at the moment that we just need to grab a hold of. So it's important for us to be together. Let me just tell you a little bit about why OGI is involved in this launch today. As I said, we were established 10 years ago to support genomics research, and really genomics research is one of the founding pillars of biotechnology. We do this through funding and managing cutting-edge genomics research, projects and platforms. We help scientists find pathways to the marketplace for their discoveries and commercialization and the products to which they're going to lead to. And through outreach, which is my center of the universe, we work very hard to increase awareness and facilitate all public dialogue about genomics, its social impact, and how important it is to power the bioeconomy. That people need to, and I'll talk about this a bit later, that the public needs to understand how important it is, and then all your jobs will be easier because they will support you in what you're doing. So it's our outreach focus today that leads us here to partner, to collaborate, because it's so important in our sector that we collaborate together. With the support specifically of the Ontario Ministry of Research and Innovation, Genome Canada at the national level, and by working, as I said, with LSO, partners like LSO and Mars, we tirelessly strive together to interest people in genomics and biotechnology. We want to work to make sure that people understand the amazing things that can be done and how long it might take for them to be done. So we don't overpromise that it happens tomorrow, but there is personalized medicine coming around the corner, but maybe they can't go in today to get it. Or maybe they can, depending on where they are. We hope through our efforts we succeed in stimulating the minds of everybody in the province, and especially the younger generation we work very hard with, and to encourage them to enter careers in biotech and to continue to build on Ontario's reputation as a leading life science hub. Yesterday, those leaders in the field said we were third, behind California, Massachusetts, then it was Ontario, and then it was Quebec. Well, third's okay. We could be first. And that's what they said, not me. That's what people like Lee Hood said and Robert Klein said, we could be first. So they've thrown down the challenge, and that, at the beginning of National Biotech Week, is our challenge to you. Anyway, now I'd like to hand it over to Lorne from LSO.